the student has answered the exam and he has cleared the backlog in the month of September within a period of 1 month. The fact of clearing the semester and getting all those marks were immediately updated to the Goa University. That is in the year 2022. Thereafter, in 2023, my client cleared the exam. He got graduated. But still, from semester 3 to semester 4, semester 6, all the mark sheets, the CGPA was blank. Ample of efforts were taken by my client. At the same time, the college, that is CES, had issued letters to Goa University to update the mark sheet. Now, this process has been going on since 2022 till date 2024. On 19th June 2024, Konkani Educational Society again issued a letter to Goa University forwarding the marks what the student had scored for that particular subject and to update the CGPA. Again, on 25th July 2024, another letter was sent. But still, the mark sheet was not updated. Here, my client, he wishes to pursue law. And what happens when you want to pursue law? To get admission in law college, you have to answer something called GUCLET, Goa University Common Law Admission Test. Now, in this test, my client already secured 70 out of 100. Now, if you consider the chat, 70 is not a small number. He has scored fairly good. He's there in the best 20, you can say, out of the 600 students who had answered. Even in 2023, he graduated with flying colors. He scored 70 out of 100 in GUCLET, but still his admission could not take place because of the failure of Goa University to give an updated mark sheet.